Hello everyone, I'll show you how I make my marble cake. It's covered in buttercream. It's cold from the fridge. I look on the internet, I couldn't find anything, and this is what I came up with. So I'm using like perfectly covered, perfectly smooth cake from the fridge. It's very cold, and I am using black buttercream. It's kind of black grayish. I put randomly spots on my cake, and I'm using torch to make my spatula hot, and I gonna go around my cake and smooth my cake a little bit to make those spots kind of look like marble, because right now they are very like dark and very noticeable. So I'm just doing half cake because my other half of the cake gonna have scrolls on it. So I'm going around and I wiping my spatula just to make sure I'm not gonna have too much black on my spatula, and I'm just going around, and when I'm happy with it, I wipe my spatula, and I'm gonna use something like a toothpick, and I'm gonna use just a black gel color, and go around my cake. So I put a little bit color, and just gonna make a little veins like marble has. They don't have to be perfect, it's just a random veins. Just go around your cake and just do how you think would be good looking. So veins don't have to be very deep, just a lightly. So now I'm happy how it look like. I'm gonna use my spatula again, or a scraper. So I'm gonna use my torch to make my scraper warm. It's easier for me to use on buttercream cakes. So I'm just lightly going around and smoothing my veins and the spots that I did earlier. And this is how my cake look after I'm done. So it's a three-tier cake. Two of them have a marble looking. Thank you for watching.